Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Brainwave Blitz GK. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can disable Windows Update on your Windows computer. So for that what we have to do, we have to press Windows key and R key together and you will see the dialog box coming in, and here you have to type services.msc and then press enter. Once you do this, you will see there will be a window coming up. Here you have to highlight any one and then you have to type W, and we are looking for Windows Update. So go down gradually and you can see here Windows Update. So here from the drop down you can see it is automatic. You have to select a disable option here and then click on apply and then OK. So that is the first step which we have to follow, and we have another step which we have to follow to disable it permanently on your computer. So for that again we have to press Windows R and then here we have to type REGEDIT, that is Reg Edit. We are going to open the Registry Editor. Here you can see you have to expand H key local machine. So once you expand, you have to expand the software and then you have to come down gradually, and here we are looking for policies. We have to expand the policy folder. Here we have to go for Microsoft and then come down. Now what we have to do, we have to just expand Windows. Here what we have to do, just highlight the Windows. Okay, just right click on Windows here and then you will see new. Click on new, then select key. Here you have to type something like Windows Update. Okay, do not give any space here, just type Windows Update and then click anywhere outside, it will be saved. Again you have to right click on Windows Update and select new. Here we have to give a shortcut, that is AU, that is automatic update. Now click outside, again select AU and then right click on the white area and then click on new. Here you have to select T word 32-bit value. Here you have to type no Windows Update and make sure that all do not have any space. Now just click outside and then again here in value data you have to put 1 and then click on OK. So like this if you do, you will be able to disable Windows Update permanently on your Windows computer.